metal tip into the buckle and tighten by pulling the loose end. To open, lift the buckle. It is recommended to keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. In the event of a decrease in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will fall automatically from the panel above. Pull a mask down sharply.
Start.
Oh, okay na rin.
Ayan. May pailaw pa siya. Mga 600. Kasi
Or kapote na lang.
kailangan niya.
Kapote na lang.
May party.
Yeah, let's go up.
Ay, ba't pala tayo nandito dito? Where is the pool? Here? Yeah. Mami, dito daw. May tao pala dito. Dalihan ka till 5 p.m., right?
5 p.m.
Wait lang.
Nasaan?
Ayan, oh.
Picture.
Wait.
Ito na naman yung suot ko pag nagsiswimming.
Say hi. Masaya ka ba? Alamig! Alamig!
Hanggang paa ka lang.
Ami flower.
Oh?
Mamila.
Ayan nga, oh, nasa tabi, oh. Flower.
Oh my God.
Ang iyong relo, okay lang?
Hanggang dito ko sa dito.
Naligo po siya sa tubo.
infinity pool. You jump and you will be infinite. Mag-swimming ka na, dali. May balahibo pa. May feather pa ng ibon. May pa-rose petal. May pa-rose petal. Swimming pa more. Bili na kayo ng isda.
Meron? Are you okay? Hey there, I have transformer now.
Transformer with ramen. Pass by there.
Yeah, we bypass there.
Picture only the house.
Because the right hand side yellow building.
Because she watched
This is the Lilavati Hospital. So
Yeah.
mostly Bollywood celebrity going there. So that area called name is
But it's-
Bandra Reclamation.
It's go private hospital.
Yes, it's like.
So we are in the north now, not yet.
Sorry.
We are in the north.
Yes, now we are in the middle of the north, middle of the city. Yes. That bridge they connect to the north to middle of the city.
Usually Bollywood is in the north.
Yes, all Bollywood mostly north side because of the airport and all the studios there. So that laundry to start in the breakfast time. Breakfast time only soldier clothes wash here. But now hospital, hotel, so many companies, their clothes wash here. Every day around 2,500 clothes wash here and 4,000 people living in this area. That laundry around 140 years old.
140 years old.
The washing area. They're coming from the other side.
From the ocean or
No, no,
river?
it's a river.
River.
So every day around early morning, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, too many tankers get in.
Yung hospital daw.
Yes, Green is hospital.
Kanina about she's coming back, returning now to Dubai. This is the only thing I want to see, the Ambani House and Taj Mahal. This is the only thing I know here. Hello. That is a house.
And left hand side, this is the Jindal Mansion house. Jindal Mansion, Jindal he is the king of the steel.
King of Steel. Businessman also.
Yes.
Oh, they are here. So this is the
And in
rich.
this house, Ambani's house, 7th floor only car parking.
Yeah.
Seven.
Seven floor only car
It's like
parking.
a mall.
2
they
floor is
have-
aquarium and swimming pool, mall, yoga
Basketball.
section, gym,
Yes.
everything inside.
Yeah.
Two helipad is there on the rooftop.
Mm-mm.
But neighborhood they are the millionaire. Sometimes is a noise pollution and one the hospital is nearby house. So noise
They
pollution, that's why it's not allowed for the parking. That's why
yeah.
it's dedicated to parking in the race course.
Mm.
So we bypass his house. So don't take the photos, okay?
Yeah.
Photos not allowed there. We get too many security and police and military.
Oo.
Tingnan natin, alam ko nasaan tayo.
Garden.
Saan pwede umihi? May ihi na ako.
Pero sa iyo, isa lang ano, isa lang ang bulaklak.
House. It's 9 o'clock. Let's go na. 57 na lang.
Uwak sa kanila ay ano, holy.
Tayo na. Alam mo, yung nakita akong tayo. Natakot ako doon sa nag-ano. Nag-aayos ng bulakan. Akala ko eh.
Banya? Best room. Electrical.
Dito na, paliko na.
Tapos na tayo.
Ay, basa dyan.
Ay, ito mo yung bato. May ka sa bote.
Kaya nga. Eh, kaso wala tayong bote. Kaya nga. Hala! Let's go. Sana'y pinutol man lang nila yung mga puno. Eh, paano mo makikita yung sea? May mga naliligo. Kaya nga. Wait 1 minute.
local train.
The train is just beside the lane.
Maganda dyan sa part mo.
Left hand side, different religion ground here,
Yeah.
but they are playing the cricket, any sports play together here.
They play together.
Yes.
Yeah, I saw there's a lot of churches and then
And see the right hand side and left hand
Masjid.
side. This is the shade. It's an underground road here actually, going on the seaside.
Going to the seaside.
Yes. So
Like
after
subway.
this, after the whole place, we use this road. We go to the underground road.
Ano yung nakita?
nakita ko ang daming church. Iba't iba din.
Ganda din yung picture.
Kinunan ko na lang para sa'yo.
People sitting here.
Yeah.
Every time people sit here because of they like her. And second thing, too many people walking here, like morning walk and exercise here. After the 10 a.m., like tourist people and college student and couple they sit here. And left hand side, this is the building. This is the since 1924. So it's Art Deco building.
19.
Yeah. So now you are in the Miami Beach.
Myanmar?
Yes, Miami Beach. This one.
Oh. Myanmar Beach, this one.
Myanmar Beach.
And behind this building on the left hand side, cricket stadium here. Behind this building.
Yeah, there's
One
major.
cricket stadium.
Look at this building. Para na ako nasa UK.
Ay, oo nga. Yun nga sabi ko para tayo na.
Mami.
Yung pinuntahan natin ay ano eh. Slum area.
Mm. Ito na ba yun?
Yeah.
Ito na nga. Parang ang sukal.
Madami dyan lalapit sa iyo.
Yung akala ko hindi ko siya mapupuntahan. Napuntahan ko na siya. Para kung nasa ano.
I give you mobile transport.
No need, brother.
सब लाइन वाले बोल रहे
Parang nasa Notre Dame ako, mami.
Ayun, oh, biggest person natin.
Dami lang picture ha.
I will make video. Wow.
The weather here is also there is snow or no?
No, only for the raining, that's why.
Rainy.
Finish the raining season, so you can't see the snow. You see the only smoke. It's pollution.
But in the north, they is snowing?
No.
No, also?
Nothing in India?
In
This is underground. Kalimbo.
it's a very, very new road actually.
This one.
Yeah.
Only last month, 1 month ago, they started this road.
Ang haba nito. Ang haba ng tunnel niya.
Money house. Look at the
Ah,
ground.
yeah, we can see it. Tama na yung nakita ko. Yan nga yung nakita ko ang Ambani House. This is at night with lights, no?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Only Terminal 2?
Two terminal here actually. One in Terminal 1, Terminal 2. So your flight is Terminal 2.
2, international.
Yes, yes.
ओके मुझे भाई ओके कोई बात नहीं जो जैसा बोलो मैं इंसान लोग करवा देगा ठीक मुझे भाई एनएससी कराना ठीक ठीक ओके अपना अकाउंट नंबर दे देना भैया ओके सलाम अलैकुम अपना वो जो है वो ये सब ये दे देना जो ये जो क्या बोलते हैं
Mga Maharaja.
वो जो चेक लिए थे उसका भी वो दे देना ताकि
मैं आपको बैंक पासबुक का पूरा फोटो भेज दूंगा। उसके अंदर अकाउंट नंबर, IFC कोड, हर चीज़ उसी में है, ठीक है? तो उसी में करवा दूंगा, ठीक है? मैं आपको भेजता हूँ शाम
movie siya na.
को।
Netflix.
But you know, brother, the Lulu owner, you know the Lulu owner, hypermarket?
Lulu?
Yeah.
There is Lulu here?
What is Lulu?
You don't know?
They don't have here.
Oh, you know the Lulu hypermarket, the owner is Indian people also.
There is,
Lulu.
there
You
is-
have photo something?
There is a lot in
In UAE.
UAE.
It's a supermarket. Big
Supermarket?
Yeah, it's a big supermarket.
Lulu?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We took
No, I think Lulu is not here.
Yeah, but he is from here. The owner.
Owner?
Yeah,
the owner is from India.
India.
The businessman.
The businessman.
I don't have picture.
He's living here, but I don't know what is the name of that one.
What is the, where is the Lulu?
It's most famous in UAE, Lulu hypermarket. There's a lot of branches around UAE.
And
Yeah.
that's why we're looking here. Where is
Yeah,
Lulu here?
we're looking. Where is Lulu here? Lulu hypermarket because he's the owner.
No grocery.
Yeah, no grocery.
In mall, no?
Yeah, in mall also only nature's.
Basket.
Here
Yeah.
are actually 3-4 malls here.
Mm.
To Phoenix Market City here. And to Opera and Infinity Mall. here.
Yeah, Oberoi, Inorbit, and the
Yes,
other one.
yeah.
I did not go the other one.
You are only Lulu.
Yeah.
Yeah, we want to do grocery.
Yeah, because there is no grocery at all here.
In the mall.
Yeah, there is no grocery in the mall.
Only nature's basket.
Which mall you are going?
We go to Orabay,
Here in India.
Mumbai?
yeah. And then Inorbit, I go Inorbit also last night.
So there is no grocery mall.
But
No.
the grocery mart is only
Nature's basket.
nature basket. There is nothing else.
Nothing inside. Only fruits.
You directly go to the Phoenix Palladium Mall. So there side is a
There is Baladia Mall.
yes.
Yeah, I don't know that one. Maybe that is too far from my house.
From our hotel.
From our hotel pala. In our hotel.
The hotel to Palladium Mall is the same thing. 1 hour is 30 minutes.
Really?
We go to the Dhobi Ghat. So
Huh?
nearby the Dhobi Ghat, it's Palladium Mall is there.
Because I go to Inorbit, I think only 19 or 18 minutes only. That's why it's near to us. And Inorbit also like 19, 20, or it's only like that. Maybe that one is too far, that Paladia. An hour.
Parang tingin sa
Sino nga talaga may-ari ng Lulu?
si Melo.
Si Coco. Ba't ang hotel ay malapit sa airport? Di ba dapat nasa mga beach siya?
is your flight name?
Indigo.
Indigo.
Beer cafe. O mag-beer ka muna.
Ano bang ano natin? Ang susunod na sila may nakapos pang ganun.
Sa labas niya.
Kaya... Yan, mami ito. Number 7, Indigo.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Ano ba pangalan?
much. Umar? Omir? I forget that. Mami! Ito ang gusto ng mga bata.
The house of ano yan? Spirit of Japan.
Pwede ba ditong magdala ng alak sa Dubai?
Tingnan mo.